In this video, I will guide you how you can book a flight ticket in Transavia. So go to Google, search for Transavia. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will be redirected to this page. From the flight page, choose your location you want to go, choose from to go, choose your depart date, and then click on the search option. You will be redirected to this page. In this page, choose your date you want to price you want to go for the ticket. Choose your time here and then click next. You will redirect to this page, or this page select your basic type or smart, for example this one. From here click next. After that you will redirect it to your passenger. Write your all details for your passengers, that's email, first name, your gender, your all details here, specific this one, and then click next. After that, you can pay via a credit card or debit card. Just write your type of tribe, professional staff, your first name, and all details here. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.